In the dark of night, the stars light up the sky. We see them flying free. That's just like you and me. Everyone is lonely sometimes, but I would walk 1,000 miles to see you rise. You are not alone, we're family. Hold me, let's escape all this reality. You are my symphony. By your side, we are unity. You are my energy, my guiding light. We are unity. We are unity. We are unity. Although the rain might pour, a thunder starts to roar. The lightning wakes the wave, but through it we are brave. Everyone is lonely sometimes, but I would walk 1,000 miles to see you. Yes, I would. You are not alone, we're family. Family. Hold me, let's escape all this reality. Symphony, by your side, we are unity. You are my energy, my guiding light. We are unity. We are
Hey, what you got going on? Taco? Wow.
From one of my friends that I just met today.
Wow.
They're all eating tacos. They're like, "You want a taco?" And I'm like, "Yeah." So I like tacos.
It's
They
not
just give me
bad.
a taco.
That's what's up.
I can care less if it's plain. It's good.
Wow.
It's really good actually, and it's really chewy.
I'm glad you're enjoying your taco.
I forgot to cook you the pizza.
What?
Forgot to cook you pizza. I've been outside all day. In these same clothes.
It's fine. Pizza doesn't take long, so.
20 minutes.
Mm-hmm. Blood clot, watch blue.
And you try to place yourself in those situations. What we have right here is something special. It's something that's going to change the whole.